Hello, let me tell you about this platform where you can make some money by earning grams. It is called Gram Free. You can earn money, you can earn grams by watching short videos, and you can also earn grams by doing free rolls every day. You have 5 rolls daily, which goes every hour. You have to roll every hour until you get to your 5 accumulated rows. And you can also earn grams by inviting friends in form of referrals. You can earn grams as well by signing smart contracts. This platform is legit. A lot of people are doing it. And this time of coronavirus, everybody's looking for means of making money on the internet. It is true that there are platforms that will take a lot of money from you and time as well, and you get scammed and you lose all your money without getting anything in return. But in this platform, you don't have to invest any money at all. There's no investment. The only thing you need to invest is time and good internet connection. Your time and internet. That is the only thing you need. And of course, your mobile phone or your computer. They are the only things you need to invest in this platform, and you have to be consistent as well so that you'll be able to accumulate a sum of 500 grams, because if you get 500 grams you'll be paid. Thank you, and I hope you try this site.